In order to copy a server template on Discord Mobile, the first thing you want to do is you actually want to open up any web browser. So open up Google Chrome if you're on an Android device, or Safari if you're on an iOS device, but you just want to go ahead and open it up. Then please go ahead and look up discord.com just like so. Then what you need to do is you actually want to go to the top menu and press on these three dots if you're on an Android device. If you're on an iOS device, you should see something similar, but you just want to press on it and you want to make sure that the option that says desktop site is actually turned on, because we're going to be doing this process on Discord on the desktop site, but obviously we're still on mobile, we're not actually on a desktop, but just make sure that is turned on. Then afterwards you want to press on open Discord in your browser. All right, then afterwards it is going to open up Discord for you, and it's going to look slightly different because it is the desktop version. But anyways, you just want to go to your server, then you want to go to your server name. So in our example, it's FryBrize tutorial server. Then you want to press on this option that says server settings, then keep going to the left menu, and then you'll see this section that says server template. Then you guys are able to go ahead and make a template of your Discord server. So it is going to have all your channels and channel topics, roles and permissions, and of course the default server settings. So you just want to go ahead and give this template a name. So I'm just going to be calling this tutorial, for example, and you can go ahead and give it a description. But then you just need to press on generate template just like so. Press on copy. Then you're able to close out of it, and then return to Discord mobile app. And then you're able to go ahead and paste it just like so. And then there you go. There is the template. You're able to go ahead and use it basically. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.